Morning, y'all. Tank's bitch session down in Florida on the shitter. Give me a second. Alright, so all you motherfuckers out there don't want to listen. The longer you don't listen, the longer we're gonna get locked down. If you think it's not coming, it's coming. But they're running all out of masks, gloves. I got something for you that'll help you if you need a mask. Now, once you go in your drawer, make sure to wash now, make sure to clean. Get yourself a pair of boxers, right? Got yourself a pair of boxers. Take your boxers, put the leg through, put it over your head. Now you got your face and your mouth covered. Now reach behind you. Reach behind you now, okay? Now check this out. Take your leg, your other leg, bring it over your head, down over your ears. Now y'all protected. You can walk around town, you got your mask on, you're not breathing any shit. But make sure to clean. You don't want to, have any dirty shit all over your head. But here's a way you can protect yourself. Now, I don't know if it really will protect you, so don't take my word on it. I'm not a doctor. But you got a little bit of protection here right out of your drawer. It costs you nothing except for when you bought it before. You see, you can even talk, smell. Everything works good. Might feel like you in the desert over in Saudi Arabia or something, but protection. So now all you gotta do is take it off. You're good. You shit yourself, take it off your head, put your underwears on. You got yourself a pair of underwear. You got protection. You got an extra pair of drawers on you when you're out and about. Since there ain't no toilet paper, you might need these things put on after you shit yourself. Ain't got nothing to wipe. But on the lighter side, just listen to what they're saying. We'll get this shit over with. We'll be done. And we'll all be on our way doing what we normally do. Peace. Tank in the shitter down in Florida. My bitch session. You like this? Subscribe right below. Tell your people, check out my videos. Love and all.